Let's suppose you gotta change a fuel pressure regulator on a 90s Ford Econoline with a 7.5 V8. You see it in there. I need some good lighting, okay? So, yeah, you could wear something on your head if that's your thing, great. I can't wear a head thing. Head gets itchy, I get a headache. My forehead heats up. But you could take the Goose-Grip swivel stick work light that has this really cool swivel made out of stainless steel and 1300 lumens, and you can take this light and you could put it in there, and then you could attach it to the roof of the engine, and there it is, sitting above everything. There ain't no lights that can do that. Now, I know you'll take your flip light and you'll put it here, but then it'll get in your way because your hand's got to go in there and take those 3 fasteners out. So, and then how do we power that light? We power it with this little Buffalo here. Has my Milwaukee M12 battery. This thing has magnets on it. You know, you can take this and attach it to just about anything you want. As long as there's some metal, it'll stay. Goose-Grip swivel stick work lights available on goosegrip.com. And there's no light better in the whole wide world. I'm out.